my channel. So today's video is gonna be a shoe review. I haven't really bought no shoes since like August, so I'm back with the shoe reviews. I know y'all enjoy them. Those are actually like the most popular videos on my channel, so I know y'all enjoy them. So yeah, so today's shoe is gonna be this shoe right here. This is the dark Concord 12. So I'm gonna just give y'all my initial review. Of course, we're gonna do a little on feet at the end, so if y'all are interested, stay tuned. All right, so we just gonna get straight into it. So quick little view of the shoe. So this is the top. We got the side angle, the back, the bottom, back to the front. So yeah, just my overall thought on the shoe is really like cool. Like it's simple, but it's hard at the same time because it's like you got like an all black shoe, but then you got like the pops of like the purple and the white. I just think that's so hard to me. And purple is my favorite color, so it's like I feel like I had to get these. I don't have any purple shoes that I can think of. Nah, I don't have no purple shoes. So yeah, when I saw these, I'm like, I gotta pick these up. And I got the University Golds. And honestly, my honest opinion on 12s, I don't really care for 12s all like that. Like, I don't know, just me personally, I don't think they look the best on my feet. But these kind of changed my mind because just like the color. So I guess I wouldn't even say it's 12s that don't look right on my feet. It's just certain colorways, I guess you would say, don't look right on my feet. But yeah, so I of course tried to get these for retail on the sneakers app, and they sold out in what, 60 seconds, 2 minutes. Like, I'm over it. But I did end up getting these for resale. So the retail on these are $140, and I ended up paying $190 resale. Shoe Plug got these for me. So yeah, in grade school I wear a 6, but I got these a 5.5 just because to me personally 12s were big, so I did get a 5.5 as you can see from the box. So yeah, I got me a 5.5, and then my University Golds are a 5, and I'll honestly say those are kind of uncomfortable. So I would suggest just like half sizing down if you do want to purchase these shoes or don't own any 12s and don't really know how they fit. I would suggest just getting a half size down because that worked for me and they fit pretty good. As far as the way that the shoe is made, I don't really have any complaints. My only thing would be you cannot wear these in the rain, because if you look up close, like this is like a some type of suede. It's not like suede, it's probably like more so like nubuck, but it's like some type of suede. So you probably don't want to wear these in the snow, the rain, anything's gonna be wet, because these shoes will be done. So yeah, overall great shoe. I don't really have any complaints about it. I think the shoe is hard overall just because of the purple. I feel like the purple really just made this shoe. On StockX, I know in my size they probably going around $190. I remember I checked on the release day after I didn't get them, and they were going for $190. So it's probably still around there, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, I'm not sure. But if that is the case, then be prepared to pay at least $50 or more for resale on these. So yeah, that's just my little overall review on this shoe. Overall, I think the shoe is hard. I feel like if you want to get it, buy it. I feel like it's a shoe that's worth it. I don't regret buying them. So yeah, we just gonna get straight into this little on foot, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.
Snap.